Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Be Unique, and today we're going to see a best mp3 cutter I just used in my old days, because it's a super application which easily you can just cut any mp3 and you can just set it as ringtone on your mobile phone. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So first of all, you just install the mp3 cutter and ringtone maker from the Play Store. We can see this, and after open the app, you have a few options like cut a song and music, or record and edit my creation, that you can just see your creation and my recordings. And just click on the cut and music song. Just select the song that you just need to cut. I just click on this and click on the continue to edit. So now it shows something about the futures, and click on OK. Now you just need to adjust the sound. For an example, it starts on 0 second. I just need to have 20 seconds of the music here. So now you can just move the audio by clicking on the first option, starting, and you can just move like this. You can just start from, for an example, it will move like a 20 second. If you just change this to 10 second, so it will be move entirely as a 10 second. So now I just change this to 10 second. You just need to move the first point. So if you just adjust the second point, it will adjust the end. So if you move the starting point, it will move with the line. You can just play the audio clip, and by clicking on the center option, then you can just click on the save option on the top. Now it shows the name. You can just edit the name, and in the tab you can just save as music, alarm, notification, or ringtone, anything, and click on the save option. Then it automatically saved. This is how you just cut the music or mp3 by using this application. You can just set it as a ringtone on your mobile phone. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.